welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some new things that I got from Loveshackfancy, and if you want to see that, continue watching. So the first thing I got was this dress, and it has some cute little details on the side. It has some bow detailing to it. Looks like this in the front. Cute little detail right here. So I'll get up so you guys can see it better. That's how it looks on. It's really lightweight, very cute, very like tea party-ish, and I just think it's really cute and very comfortable. So I got this dress from Loveshackfancy. My first time putting it on is like right now, and I'm super in love with it. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the next thing I got from Loveshackfancy. Okay. So the next thing I got were these leggings, and they look like this. Well, that's the back. It looks like this. Has some like bold details to it. They had a collaboration with Beach Riot, so these where these leggings came from, and they're high-waisted, so I find them really good. And I also got this shirt from that collaboration, and it also looks really similar. Has little bow details, little things, and that's the way it looks. But just so you guys are aware, they're not the same shade. Like, I believe that they were the same shade, and then when I got it, I'm like, oh, they're not really the same shade, but I'm still gonna wear it like that. But they're not the same shade of pink. As you can see, like, this is pink, it's like a purpley pink. So yeah. And the last thing I got from Loveshackfancy is this dress, and it looks like this in the front. It's cute little detail here and some buttons. Well, let me fix the neckline. So it looks like that all around. Has like this cute tie-dye feel to it, and in the bottom it looks like this. I forgot, but now I remembered. I also got these shoes from Loveshackfancy. Well, they used to be on the Loveshackfancy website, but I got them off of Poshmark because they didn't sell them no more. So it looks like this inside. They're brand new, so I got lucky. It comes with this little bag, and it says Loveshackfancy on it in the bottom part. And these were the shoes. Has this cute detail right here, and it has this like floral design on the shoelace, as you can see. This is the way the back looks, the side. But I thought it was like super cute, and I was like, okay, that's only $60 on Poshmark, I'm getting it. Because I think they retail for like 100 and something, and I was able to like bargain my price, so $60 is what I paid. So I'm gonna wear all these items so you guys can see them on, and you let me know what you think. Okay. So this is the shirt. As you can see, it's like two different tones, but it still looks cute together. So this is the shirt and the leggings. And as I told you, they're like high-waisted, so they're up to here, and it's like super comfortable. So that's how they look in the bottom. So yeah. And they reach all the way down, because I'm really tall. I'm 5'8". So my height is 5'8", so that's usually my problem. Like, that's usually like my problem, that the leggings don't normally reach all the way to my like ankles, but these do, so that's really comfortable. So on to the next. I find them really cute, as you can see, and they're really comfortable. So when I walk, so this is a dress. It looks like this. That's how short it is. The sleeves move like that. It's a cute little dress. So that was the last item. So those were all the things I got from Loveshackfancy. And if you guys like videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, soar like a butterfly.